So hello everyone, today your session is session 13 and we will be doing from question number 16 of exercise 7a. Okay, so let's start the exercise. Question number 16. So 16 is y minus 2, then y minus 5 is equal to y plus 3, then y plus 5. So this will be y will be going to that side, y minus 2, here y plus 5, y plus 3, y minus 5. So now here it will be y plus 5 minus 2 y plus 5. Here it will be y minus 5 plus 3 y minus 5. So this will be y square plus 5y minus twice y minus 10. This will be y square minus 5y. It will be plus 3y minus 15. So now y square, this y square will be coming this side. This is 5y minus 2y. I can do the calculation, no need to do, because this 5y will be coming here, 5y. This will be minus 3y and is equal to, already there is 15. So this 10 will be going here, so plus 10. Now this y square and y square will be getting cancelled, so nothing will be left here. Then let's do all the plus first. This one is plus, this one is plus, so 10y. This one is minus and this one is minus, so it will be 5y. This one is minus, so minus 5y. Okay, then this one is minus 5, so 10 minus 5 is 5y is equal to 5. This implies y is equal to minus 5. Minus 5 divided by 5, that is minus 1. This is the answer. Okay, minus 1 is the answer. So next one, question number 17. So I guess question number 17 you can do it. Question number 17 is same as question number 14 also, and question number 13 also. It is same as that. Okay, you can do it. I guess question number, it is same as question number 10 also. So I guess you can do it. Question number 17. I guess you can do question number 17. Now question number 18. Now question number 17 looks somewhat difficult, okay, because of all this. Sorry, this one is 4. X by 4 minus 3 by 5 divided by 4 by 3 minus 7x and is equal to 3 by 20. So first of all we have to use this formula. There is a fraction, this is a fraction, and this is another fraction. There is an equal sign, so this part will be going here, this part will be going here. So it will be 20 x by 4 minus 3 by 5, 3 by 5, and this one will be 3, 4 by 3 minus 7x. Okay, so now let's multiply 20. We will bring 20 inside, so it will be 20 into x by 4, then 20 into 3 by 5. This will be 3 into 4 by 3 minus, this will be 3 into 7x. So here 4 5s are 5, 4s are 3, 1s are, then this is the rest. So now here it will be 5x minus 4 3s are 12, there it will be 4, here it will be 21x. Now just we have to arrange it. This will be 5x, 21 will be coming this side, plus 21x. Here already 4 is there, this 12 will be coming here, so it will be plus 12. So now here it will be 26x, here it will be 16. So value of x will be 16 divided by 26. So by 2, 8 are and 13 are. So answer is 8 by 13. So answer is equal to 8 by 13. Let me check the answer. 7A. 7A question number 18. It's 1 by minus 1 by 2. Did I do any mistake here? Let me check. Three by 5 here, 3, 4 by 3 minus 7. Oh, this is minus here. There was a minus here, okay? I forgot to write that minus, so here it will be minus. Let's say 3 has minus, so this minus will be going to 3. Okay, because the minus 3 by 20, we can write this as minus 3 by 20, or we can write this as 3 by minus 20. So all these are same. Okay, there was a minus. I did not. I forgot to write that. So when we open this one, this part will change. A minus is there, so when I open it, it will be minus 3 into 4 by 3, and this minus and minus will be plus 3 into 7x. So this one will be minus 4 and this one will be plus 21x. So now this is my plus here. So now here it will be 5x, this 21 will be coming here. So minus 4 is there, this 12 will be coming here. So when I subtract it, it will be 16x, here it will be 8. This one minus 16, this will be 8. So x will be 8 divided by 16, so it will be 2 minus 1 by 2. So this is the answer. Okay, you already got the concept of all this. So if there is any mistake, the mistake should be in calculation, okay, not in other things. The formulas are not wrong here, or something is not wrong here. By mistake I have written something in the plus or minus something there, it will, the mistakes will be there only. So if in the exam also, if you get any, if you first you should have the confidence that you are using the formulas correctly, you are using the methods correctly. Then in the exam, if you get the answer wrong somehow, you have to just see the calculation, not all the methods and again. Okay, you have to be confident with the method you are using, and you should know how to use this. Okay, so now here it is. Here it is simple. This one is a fraction, this one is also a fraction, so this will be going up here, this will be going up here, but this 3 will be going to all these parts. Okay, so there will be a bigger bracket, twice x plus 3 minus 5x minus 7. Okay, here it will be minus 8, 6x plus 11. Okay, after that this 3 will be going inside, 3 twice x plus 3. This 3 will be again going here, 3, 5x minus 7. Here it will be minus 8 into 6x. Here it will be minus 8 into 11. This minus is going here, this minus is going here, this minus is also going here. Okay, so now 3 into 2x plus 3 into 3. Here it will be minus 3 into 5x. This minus and minus will be plus 3 into 7. This one will be 8 6 are 48x, and here it will be 88. Okay, so it will be 6x. Here it will be plus 9. Here it will be 15x. Here it will be plus 21. Here it is minus 88, oh sorry, and minus 48x. So here it will be 6x minus 15x. This 48 will be coming here, so plus 48x. Here it will be minus 88. After that, this 21 will be going, and also 9 will be going to the other side. So now here, if I plus this 2, it will be 54x minus 15x is equal to, when I plus all this, it will be 30. This is 30, then 1, 1, 8. Okay. Then it will be, this one will be 15 minus 54, it will be 9. Then 3, 39x is equal to minus 118. So x will be equal to minus 118 divided by 39. Okay, so now if I divide it by 8, 9, 10, oh, it will not be dividing, so I guess this is the result. So let's check it once. 17A, question number 19. Oh sorry, 7A, question number 19. 7A, question number 19. Yes, it is correct. 118 by 39. So now 20, 17, 2 minus x, then minus 5x plus 12, then here it will be 1 minus 7x, and here is equal to 8. So let me make it a fraction by 8 by 1. So it is similar to that one. Here 1 is multiplied here, so nothing will be changed here. So just let me write like this, same. 2 minus x, 5x minus x plus 12. Only here it will be changing, so it will be this. So I will not be doing the middle step, just do it. 17 into 2, it will be 34. Here it will be 17x minus 5x. Here it will be minus 60. Here it will be 8. Here it will be 56x. After that, this one will be minus 17x minus 5x. This 56 will be coming outside. Then after that 8. Then plus 60 here. Then minus 34 here. Okay. So now, when we do the calculation, this one will be 22x. 22x plus 56x. Here it will be 68 minus 34. So this part will be 4, 34 x is equal to, this one will be 34. So x will be equal to 34 by 34, that is 1. Okay. Let me check the answer again. 7E, 21. Yes, 20 is correct. So now next one, we will be trying to do this, complete this exercise today. So 4 plus x, 5 minus x, and here it is 2 plus x, 7 minus x is equal to 1. Okay, 4 plus x, 5 minus x, this is, now this will be going there, it is 1 here. So this will be going here, this will be going here. Now no changes will be coming because in the other side it is, we are multiplying by 1. Okay, but it will be 2 plus x, 7 minus x. So now here it will be 4, 5 minus x plus x, 5 minus x. 2, 7 minus x plus x, 7 minus x. Okay. 20 minus 4x plus 5x minus x square. So it will be 14 minus 2x plus 7x minus x square. So let's bring all the x square here. 4x is here, plus 5x is here, then minus x square is here, another x square is here, so let's bring this plus x square, then minus 2x is there, so it will be plus here, so then plus, so here minus 7x, after that is equal to, already 14 is there, this 20 will be going there, so it will be minus 20. When you are arranging in this step, if you have too many numbers here, if you have too many numbers in this line, just count the numbers one time so that you don't miss out anything. Okay, so here this will be getting cancelled. So now let's do the minus together. This one is minus and this one is minus, these two are minus, so it will be minus 11x, this and this is plus, so plus 7x is equal to, this is 6. So here it will be 11 and 4x is equal to minus 4x minus 6, minus 4x is equal to minus 6, so minus x is equal to minus 6 by minus 4, 3 by 2. So answer is 3 by 2, I guess. Answer is 3 by 2, I guess. Yes. Okay, 22. Now x square minus x plus 1 x plus 2, then this one is 6 5 sorry, I'm just doing it only by seeing it. Okay, just started the solution. Okay, so now this one, this is here 1, so this will be going up here, this will be going up here, so the upper part will remain same, and this part will be 5x plus 1. Okay, so now this one will be x square minus x. Here is a minus. Okay, just keep this because there is a minus, so I am giving another bracket here so that there will be no confusion. Okay, so here is another minus here, so x plus 2, then plus 1 x plus 2. Okay, so now this one is 6 into 5x plus 6 into 1 x square minus x square plus twice x plus x plus 2. Okay, it will be 30x plus 6. Those who are understanding this minus part here, you can just do this step. Okay, there is no problem, you can do just open this, not this step also, the step after this. After this step, those who are understanding this minus step here, you can just, after this, what we will do this, whatever step we are doing, you can do from this step, you can do this one. Okay, from this step you can do just this step, you can carry on to this step, no need to do this two middle steps because these are not necessary. I am just doing this to make you understand. Okay, this will be minus x squared, and here it will be minus twice x minus x, here it will be minus 2. Because if you don't open, don't give this bracket here, those who are not understanding, if you don't give the bracket here, this bracket, if you don't give it, then the sign will be coming different. Okay, the sign here will be coming different. You will be just giving this sign in x, and this part, this remaining part will be plus here somewhere, so the calculation might be wrong. So those who are getting this, you can just write this step, but those who are not getting it, you have to do this two middle step. Okay, down here it is minus twice x minus x, here 30 is there, so minus 30 will be coming here. Here nothing is here, so then 6 is already here, so 2 will be going here, so this is 2 here. Minus 3x minus 30x is equal to 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now here it is 33x is equal to 8, so x is equal to 8 by minus 33, that is minus 33 minus 8 by 33. I guess that is the answer here. Last one. Yes, that is the answer. Now the MCQs. MCQ question number 23. Question number 23 is same as question number 5. Okay, question number 23 is same as question number 5. So I guess you can do it. Question number 5 we have already done it. Question number 5 and question number 6 also we have done it. So I guess you can do it. Question number 23. Question number 24 also you can do it, I guess. Question number 23 and 24 you can do it. Question number 23 and 24 I guess you can do it because it is similar to that. So I will be just doing this question number 25. 25 is 2x plus 4 whole square minus x minus 5 whole square is equal to 26x. So what I have to do is I can use two formulas here. This one is a square minus b square, or I can just break down this into a plus b whole square. This one is also a minus b whole square. So let's do this a plus b, a minus b. So this one is 4 plus x minus 5 another bracket twice x plus 4 minus x minus 5 is equal to 26x. After that twice x plus 4 plus x minus 5 twice x plus 4 minus x plus 5 will be 26x. Here it will be minus 3x minus 1. Here it will be x plus 9 equal to 26x. So now it is easy only. 3x x plus 9 minus 1 x plus 9 is equal to 26x. So after that 3x into x, it will be 3x square plus 3 9s are 27x. This one will be minus x. It will be minus 9. It will be 26x. After that 3x square is here plus 27x minus x. This one will be coming here minus 26x. I will keep this minus 9 here for this question only. Okay, I will not be bringing this 9 to the other side. Here it is 0. Okay, because we have taken everything from this side to the other side, so what will be remaining here? 0 will be remaining here. So after this 3x square, after this it will be 1, so minus plus 27x, and here it will be minus 27x minus 9 is equal to 0. I have to take it anyway. Okay, I thought it will be a different question, so here it is 0 here. This is getting cancelled, so it will be minus 9 is equal to 0. So now 3x square is equal to 9 will be going to the other side, so it will be plus 9. So x square is equal to 9 by 3, that is 3. So we got the value of x square. X square is equal to 3. So x will be plus or minus root 3, because plus value also can give, minus value also it can give the value 3. So this is the answer for x. So I guess you have understood all this. If you have any doubt, ask it in the group. So thank you everyone.